when you love something, you never finish.
That's right.
Yeah.
It just goes on forever.
Forever
You
and
don't
ever.
want it to end.
You don't want to finish.
That's right.
Voici Slow Trap.
We're traveling around the world one trip at a time.
Allons-y.
This episode is part 7, a 17-day trip across parts of northern India. We've arrived in the holy city of Varanasi on the banks of the Ganges River. This is a bucket list trip for my wife and I. We've been traveling all over India, and within that bucket list is my personal dream to travel the Ganges River by boat. So we're up before the crack of dawn in search of someone to take us out on the river. We want to see the city from the water.
So this is 5 a.m. trying to go to the morning Ghat ceremonies. And there is nobody here. We're gonna walk to the main road and see what we can see.
It's hard to believe that the chaos of the day gives way to this quiet in the early morning hours.
So we walked to the main road and this is what we see. And we're gonna try and find a tuk-tuk. Everyone's full though. Here's a tractor coming through town.
This early in the morning, it takes a little patience to flag down a taxi that'll take us up to one of the ghats where we're going to pick up our boat.
Good morning. This morning we're at Meer Ghat. It is 5:30 in the morning. We are taking a river cruise on the Ganga to see the Ghats and the morning Aarti ceremony.
Our captain is Sunil Sahani. He's a third-generation boatman. His business is called Varanasi Boat Tours. Working on the Ganges River has been his family business for more than 75 years. On my sister channel, Motor City Boat Works, I interview Sunil. We talk about how the boats are built, about what it's like, and the realities being a boatman on the Ganges River. Be sure to check it out. As the sun rises, you can begin to see the Ghats. These are the stairs that go down into the Ganges River, where people bathe and the microcosm of local neighborhoods exists.
How many ghats are there?
There are 84 ghats.
84 ghats.
Yes, sir.
Really?
And they are all written on the wall like this. You see there is a Raja Ghat and
Yes.
then there is Narad Ghat over there.
Right, so there's a name on it there.
Yeah.
Do you live in one of the ghats, or
Yes,
do you
sir.
live someplace else and come back?
No, sir. I live in Meer Ghat.
Yeah, in Meer Ghat.
Yes,
yeah.
sir. And Manikarnika is not so far from Meer Ghat. It's just 250 or 300 meter maximum.
The Ganges River is the second largest river in all the world. It flows from the Himalayas down through India and into Bangladesh. It flows more than 2,500 kilometers from the mountains down to the Bay of Bengal. More than 10 million people get their livelihood from this river.
They say Varanasi is the oldest inhabited city in the world. People have been living along the Ganga River for at least 3,000 years.
Tens of thousands of pilgrims come to the city daily. In a year, it's more than 5 million people.
I don't know if you've noticed, but there are some things jumping out of the water here. The Ganges River has over 140 species of fish and about 90 different species of amphibians that live in the river. This river, believe it or not, has a form of Asian dolphin and also in some places like a crocodile, an Indian version of the crocodile. I just want to take a moment to kind of tell you what this is like being out on the water here. There's, I was expecting that there might be like a smell or it might feel, I don't know, kind of dirty or something like that. But surprisingly, it's just like being on any other body of water. It's quite cool and crisp out here right now. Of course, we're here on Christmas Day. So, temperature-wise, it's, right under maybe 60 degrees, maybe 55. It's cool and brisk. you can see the life along the shore banks of folks bathing and kind of doing their rituals and doing all sorts of stuff. It really is kind of captivating. And I gotta be honest with you, it's quite peaceful and beautiful.
In the Hindu religion, the river itself is considered to be a holy deity. This is why people bathe in the river daily. They believe that the Ganga will wash away their sins in this life and all lives to come. This is why people try to come to Varanasi to die. They want to have their bodies cremated and then their ashes put into the Ganga. If you're interested in seeing what it's like inside one of the Ghats, or if you want to learn more about the practice and customs of cremating the bodies, be sure to check out one of my episodes on my travel channel where Sunil takes us ashore and we walk along the Ghat. You can use the QR code, or I'll put the link to our Slow Travel YouTube channel in this episode description. Be sure to check it out.
Early in the morning, Assi Ghat is a hubbub of activity. You can see how the river is integral to daily life. We enjoyed our time so much with Sunil on the Ganges River. The next morning, we decided to take another trip, this time downriver to see one of the forts. All right, we're leaving Assi Ghat on the way to Ramnagar Fort with Sunil on his boat down the Ganges.
Oh, 8-year-old, so you're too early.
Got to head downstream about 15 kilometers to visit the fort.
This morning we're taking a ride with Sunil to Ramnagar Fort. It's just south of where we were yesterday. It's about an hour boat ride down there, and then we'll tour the fort and he'll bring us back. He brought his bigger boat. This is somewhere around, I want to say 35 feet with an inboard diesel engine.
We spend our time talking about what it would take to travel the length of the Ganges River. Despite the noisy diesel engine, it's kind of a peaceful way to see the banks of the Ganges River.
Here we are at the banks of the Ganges at Ramnagar Fort. We came across from Varanasi. This is a good example of our slow travel philosophy. We came here to visit the fort, but decided that there wasn't that much to see in the fort itself, so instead we decided to spend our time taking in the local neighborhood.
All right, babe, here we go. It's like stronger. Trying to get across it. Oh my God!
Sometimes the best moments are talking to people and finding something tasty on the side of the road.
Okay, what do they call jalebi in English?
It's round and round and round inside sweet water.
Round and round and round inside sweet water. That's what it means.
I know the song. Jalebi, 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 jalebi. Yeah. There's a song, huh? Yeah. Famous sweets. Very sweet.
Very sweet?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a, what, funnel
It's
cake?
like funnel cake with syrup on it.
Yeah. Let me see this up close. Look at that.
It's very good. It's a sweet funnel cake. You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try it here. 1, 2.
Very sweet.
Yeah, it's like it's just like funnel cake, but it's got like a
Sugar.
some kind of sugar coating or something on it.
Another, we have dessert, like, sorry.
I'll show you the song.
All right, so what we got here? What is this here?
This is also, you know this stuff. This is the fruits.
What kind of fruit? Apricot?
Mango, papaya?
This long one, you know, this red one. I just forgot.
Pomegranate.
Put this on here. Put this on here.
Pomegranate.
Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Yeah.
Did we just try this here? What do you think? Kind of like a like a fruit mash, is what I would say.
Like applesauce?
Yeah.
It's like an almond paste applesauce made of pomegranate, he said.
Yeah. I don't know if I like that. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A little bit. You eating that one?
That's for you. Here.
Okay.
Hey, try this. Try this.
Yeah, it's really good. Spicy and good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Before you know it, it's time to get back to the boat. Back to the peace and quiet of the Ganges River. It's beautiful, huh?
Look at that. I think this might be the best job in Varanasi. You think? Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, it is actually. You can meet people from all over.
Right, right.
That is
And every day, spend the day on the Gangas. That's so good, right?
In our next episode, Sunil takes us on a tour of the Ghats, and we learn about the holy cremation grounds on the banks of the Ganges River.
Please join us on our next episode. Remember to subscribe. This channel would not be possible without your support.
Be sure to join our channel. Follow us on YouTube, Mr. and Mrs. Slow Travel. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Go slow.
Do small.
Go travel.
Voyager.